right, adult doll collectors and gift givers. Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide for LOL Surprise furniture. This is Series 2. These furniture playsets are one of my favorite LOL Surprise accessories because you get a doll, furniture, and a backdrop. They are $14.99 each. That is the price of some LOL Surprise dolls by themselves. But here, you're getting a doll and a whole scene. As an added bonus, you know exactly who you're getting. This one comes with Can Do Baby. You can see your picture right on the front of the box. It's the Road Trip playset. Here is Grunge Girl with the Music Festival playset. Independent Queen comes with the Backstage playset. And Bonbon is with the Ice Cream Pop-Up playset. These dolls are also the little sisters to the new OMG dolls that are coming out. So, yeah! Miss Independent just showed up, but we're waiting for some of her other friends to arrive. Then we'll take a look at those. Back to the furniture. Let's start with Bonbon and the Ice Cream Pop-Up. Pull down the perforated side, remove the outer plastic, lift the top, remove this little piece right here. There we go. And turn it around, fold this side down. Really liking all that pretty foiling. Okay, so there is the bottom. When I first open it, it never wants to lay flat, so I have to carefully bend everything the opposite direction to try to get it to lay down. We can also use a little bit of poster putty, place it underneath, and then push it down. Here we have a pink stone walkway with green grass and little printed flowers. Continue opening the box to reveal all of the accessories individually wrapped. Now, I personally could have handled them all being in one package to save a little plastic, but that's just me being picky. On the end of the box, there's a little guide. It says one insert. We find the one that is in the grass. There it is. And we push it inside to help build our little room, which is actually a nice size when compared to an LOL Surprise figure. There's a Ferris wheel in the back, a bench, a trash can, an ice cream sign showing the different flavors. There is a stand for merch and says pizza, groovy smoothie. In the far off distance, you can see a concert. The bags say LOL Pop Magazine, Grunge Girl. Then there is some small print at the bottom. Let's open this one up. Now we can get the get the prize out, which is a little ice cream cone. There's a small loop at the bottom to help the dolls hold it. Here's another one, and I believe it has ice cream as well. Yep, but it's just a different color. These could fit in the same bag. Here's another one, and it's also ice cream. On the back of the bag, it says Music Fest 2020, and there is a picture of Lady Diva right there on the side. That's pretty cool. The ice cream colors are similar to the ones on the sign, so it has a nice little cohesion there. Opening our fourth little bag, and it's a pair of glasses. In our fifth bag, this feels like the bottle. Bag number 6 is an outfit. It is 2 pieces, so that's good. Bag 7, we have a pair of shoes. Little yellow shoes, really pretty pastel colors. In bag number 8, we have an ice cream scoop, and it's silver colored. Love that. Bag number 9 is a stand. It has a black and white top, blue and gold colored details on the side. Oh no, some of the paint has smeared a little. Let's use a little nail polish remover to try to clean that up. There we go. And look, it turns. It's not a stand, it's her stool. Bag number 10 gives us an umbrella. Light assembly is required. There we go. And look, you can tilt it whatever way you want. That's pretty cool. Bag number 11 is the little stand. Check this out. It has wheels that can spin, a little handle. This looks like it opens up. Yes, it does. And the bottom comes down to make a little counter. I have to snap this into place to make it stay up. The ice creams fit into these little holes. There we go. There is a sticker of the different ice creams, and it looks like some toppings over here on the side. Attach the umbrella and place the stool in front. We're gonna need our little ice cream scoop right there. And the pop-up shop is ready for business. In the last bag, we find the doll. Hello! Here she is, fully dressed and ready to serve ice cream to all of her BBs. She does seem a little short for the ice cream cart, but the overall look is a lot of fun. This playset can be used with the LOL Surprise house, but it is not on the same scale as the OMG dolls. All of the items included are listed on the box, so it's not so much a surprise as it is just 10 fun accessories. Up next, we have Can Do Baby in the Road Trip playset. Let's remove the top, remove this, open it up. This one gives us a road, and it looks like we have pink sand and some succulents on the side. Now we open the rest of the box. Put the sides in the insert to reveal a gas station with a diner. It says BB Diner, and look, there's a billboard that says Music Fest that way. This is really cute. Look at all the little details and the stickers on the door. There's a trash can with trash in it. We got 2 pumps and 3 parking spots. It looks like these are for electric cars. Awesome! We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bags and some stickers. Let's go ahead and open these up. First one is, come on, a pair of shoes. That's for our LOL Surprise doll. This one is, oh, that's her bottom. Okay, that is the LOL Surprise doll. We'll just put her off to the side right quick. Sorry, when I was a kid, my mom was like, no naked dolls, and it's just kind of stuck with me until today, so bear with me. Here is the bottle. Looks like a little milk carton. Whatever is in here is pretty small. And what is that? Oh, it's the little air freshener that goes in the window of the car. It even says LOL on it. Here we have a headband. Oh, this is the little headband or the little scarf that goes on the doll. This is a tiny little car. It says do it on the back. And yeah, it's a new year, so go for it. Here we have some dice, another thing to go inside the car. This bag contains her outfit. It's all one piece, so we're gonna let her go ahead and get dressed. Here she is. And now it's the moment you've all been waiting for! Are you ready to check out your new car? Yes! Can Do Baby, you are a proud owner of a blue little Tykes car! With rims, a silver chain steering wheel, headlights, and a license plate that says we can. Place the little convertible on the back of the big car. Put the dice in the front, and you are ready to drive to that music fest. Last series, we got a red car. This series, we get a blue one. So hey, in a few more series, we'll be able to start a car dealership. But I am curious to see if all of these little accessories could fit in this one bag. So let's put the car in there. That fits. The little car. Maybe if we put the little car, this is so noisy. Put the little car inside of the larger car, then it fits inside of the bag. Yep, throw that in there, It could have been done. We could have had it all in one bag. Oh, and she needs to go in there too. Then we have to seal it up. Yeah. Here is Grunge Girl and the Music Festival playset. This one seems pretty cool because we're gonna get a little mini stage. So let's go ahead and fold that down. There's a picture of grass with like little blankets and pillows on the lawn. Open it up to reveal the stage. On the side, you can see the little ice cream cart, which is really cool. In the middle, you can see the stage. There are lots of lights, a little drum set, and some TVs. On the side, there is a little power-up station for your cell phone. That's pretty cool. And it looks like a little dressing room area. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bags. This one gives us a amp. I think that's what it is. I'm not like super great with music lingo, but I think this might be an amp. And there's a cord that we can really plug in. What? Come on. That's crazy! There is a guitar that you can plug the other side of the cord into. These are the kind of details that I really appreciate. Here is a pair of shoes, a bottle, a microphone, a pair of glasses. I think this is a keytar. It's like a guitar and a keyboard mixed together. A keytar. It also has a small hole so you can plug it into the amp. On the back, there are fold-out legs so it can stand on its own. Well, maybe if I remove the little strap. There it goes. Clothes for the doll. The doll. Here she is, fully dressed and ready to go on stage, which means our last surprise is the stage. There are little lights going all the way around, colorful carpets on top, and some little scaffolding or risers underneath. The stage is also a stand, so our little BB can stay in place. Oops. Take 2. So our little BB can stay in place. This one is really cute. I love the whole stage idea, and the background works perfectly. And I think it might be compatible with our mini BTS figures by Mattel. I got this at Target. It was $9.99. This isn't supposed to be a BTS review, but I can't help myself. He looks almost perfect for the size. This is Jungkook, and he's just a little smaller than the LOL Surprise dolls. But on stage, he's like perfect. And we can use the LOL Surprise dolls to stand in front and pretend like they are watching BTS live in concert. Ah! It's like we have a BB army. Our last one is Independent Queen in the Backstage playset. This one seems a little similar to the Vanity set that came out last series. However, the backdrop for this one appears to be outside. We have grass, and it looks like a faux fur rug with lots of pillows. Let's open it up. On the inside, it looks like we're looking at a tent, and there's a couch with a vanity in the back corner, a director's chair, a couple of tables. You can see the concert over on the side, and a Ferris wheel on the other. Overall, it's a pretty cool backdrop. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bags. The largest bag has the vanity. Peel the protective layer off of the mirror. It is pink, blue, and white. The blue has a glitter finish. All of the drawers open, creating a lot of storage. This is a chair. It's like a little stool with a back. This is a double-sided makeup brush. This is a pair of shoes, 1 pink, 1 white. Lipstick. This is some kind of, I want to say it's like a shampoo or a lotion, some kind of random bottle. Here's the bottle, her outfit, It is 2 pieces and very sparkly. 2 little bracelets, 1 white and 1 pink. A makeup organizer. That's really, really cool, and I could totally use this in other mini-verses. Here is a makeup brush. It's sparkly on the end and pink on the handle. We can place that in our little makeup organizer. And the last surprise is the doll. Fully dressed, she is super glittery. The glitter does come off onto your hands, but her clothes are not restrictive, so you can pose her however you like. I really like how all of the play sets fit together for this Music Fest theme. You can pretend like you're going from scene to scene, from backstage to the concert. You can see the backstage right there. This will allow us to create lots of stories for our photography. I like how the box is usable. It turns into a playset. However, I wouldn't mind a little less packaging. But my main reason for collecting the LO Surprise furniture sets is that they give us the little sister for the OMG dolls, and I absolutely love the OMG dolls. If you missed the LO Surprise doll when their season was out, now you have an opportunity to find them. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the LO Surprise furniture playsets. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we'll see you next time. Bye!